Aha!
Get in here, you little bastard!
Wow! Amazing!
Oh my god! Oh yes!
Hello, Ed boy.
Here we go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Check out my headshot!
Hey, what happened? Have to do something.
We're not friends anymore?
Amazing!
Woohoo! I flame to please!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, watch it!
Wow, so much heat! Yes!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay.
It's magical.
He's here!
Hey, what happened?
Looks like you didn't do very well.
Are the others okay?
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Just call me honey.
Oh, you don't see that every day.
Ho ho!
Check out my guns! Ha ha ha!
No way! Bling bling!
High five!
Hey, show some respect!
Gary! Come on!
Oh, yes!
Where'd he go?
Come here, big fella!
Hello? Nice, nice.
Yeah, boy.
Don't call me honey.
Oh, you don't see that every day.
Take a shot!
That's great.
Where'd he go?
Come on, step it up!
Let's go!
Wow, congratulations!
Come here, big fella!
No wow wow whoopsie!
Okay!
Check out my gun!
Going to find you some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Yeah! Untouchable!
It's go time!
Crashing.
Wow!
Amazing!
Hey, watch it! Watch out! Here I come! Check out my headshot!
Yeah!
He's here!
NANI?!
Call me honey.
Woo! Let's go!
Hey, show some respect!
Let's go. Come on. Zip zip. Yes, 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 yes. Wow, so much heat.
Go, let's go, let's go!
Hey, what happened?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, watch it!
Get in here, you little bastard.